if you spend serious time on the water. You already know Garmin does not make casual marine watches. The Quatix series is built for the sailors, boaters, and outdoor users who want the real tools on their wrist, not just notifications. Now, Garmin has launched the Quatix 8 Pro, and on paper it looks like a big step forward. But the Quatix 7 Pro was already extremely capable. So the real question is simple. What actually changed, and is the upgrade worth it? So in this video, I will break down the real difference between the Quatix 8 Pro and the Quatix 7 Pro in simple terms. No hype, no specs overload, just what matters in daily use. So welcome to SmartWatchRadar. Let's get into it. Key features comparison. What actually different? The biggest difference between these two watches is connectivity. The Quatix 8 Pro introduces built-in satellite and LTE features. This means you can make calls, send messages, share your live locations, and trigger emergency SOS directly from the watch, even when your phone is not nearby. For offshore sailing, solo trips, or long days on the water, this adds an extra layer of the safety that the 7 Pro simply does not offer. The Quatix 7 Pro, on the other hand, depends on your phone for communication. You still get smart notifications and the Garmin messaging, but only when your phone is connected. For many users, this is perfectly fine and keeps things simple. Battery life is another key difference. The Quatix 7 Pro lasts longer overall because it does not have the satellite or the LTE hardware running in the background. It's the better choice if you want fewer charger and longer trips without worrying about power. The Quatix 8 Pro still has a good battery life, but using satellite or the LTE features will reduce it faster. This is the trade-off for having phone-free communication and safety tools. Both watches use bright, easy-to-read display that works well in the direct sunlight. The build quality on both feels premium and rugged, with strong bezels and the buttons that work reliably even when wet or cold. Marine and boating experience. When it comes to boating feature, both watches are excellent. You can control autopilot, view vessels data check, and win and tide information, and interaction with navigation tools directly from your wrist. Sailing modes, encouraging tools, and the marine spec screens feel familiar on both models. The Quatix 8 Pro organizes marine tools a bit more cleanly in boating modes, but in real use, both watches deliver a very similar experience on the water. If marine features are your main reason for buying, either which will serve you well: everyday use and comfort. For daily wear, both watches are comfortable considering their rugged design. The Quatix 7 Pro feels slightly lighter and simpler, making it easier to forget you are wearing it all day. It's a great balance between durability and comfort. The Quatix 8 Pro feels a bit more advanced and powerful, especially if you use calls, messaging, or tracking without your phone. It feels more likely a standalone device rather than just a companion watch. Fitness tracking, health data, and daily activity tracking are more strong on the boat, covering workouts, heart rate, sleep, and recovery in the way that's easy to understand. So which one should you choose? Choose the Quatix 8 Pro if you want phone-free calls, message, and emergency features. Safety and connectivity matters during offshore trips. You want Garmin's most advanced marine smartwatch. Choose the Quatix 7 Pro if you want longer battery life, you prefer simpler setup without subscriptions, you usually keep your phone nearby, you want excellent marine tools at a lower cost. So what are the final thoughts? The Quatix 8 Pro adds a powerful new connectivity features that makes it a true next-generation marine watch. But the Quatix 7 Pro is still an extremely capable option that many users won't feel the need to upgrade from. There is no wrong choice here. It depends on whether you value standalone communication or longer battery life and simplicity. So if this video helped you decide, like the video, subscribe to SmartWatchRadar, and check the description for the latest deals and links. I will see you in the next one.